Alright, so today on the Fixit Shed, the passenger door handle on my 2011 Ford Fiesta is broken. So I want to take a look at this. We're thinking maybe I could try and glue it, but we're going to have to take a look at it and see. So let's get it apart. So to do that, first thing, we're just going to take this plastic cover off. Alright. So the top's not really being held by anything anymore. There is a screw in here holding in the broken off part. There's also a screw in here, and it's a T25 Torx bit. And I've got a 1/4-inch ratchet. There it is. Alright, so what's still holding this? It's just the one screw. Let's see. Something in here. No, there's nothing there. What is still holding it? Alright, let's try a little trim tool here, see if we can get in behind it and pry it up. No, I can't get in there. Okay, so there was like a little something there, clip there, that appears to have broken. I don't think it was intended to come out. So, I mean, if you put that other screw in there, that would kind of hold it. So it was probably trying to give it some support in here. You know, there were two clips. One of them was already broken off. This one was already broken off. So, you know, as this, somebody, whoever pulled this probably broke the top one off. So, yeah, this wasn't very sturdily made. All right, let's get this top screw out. So, this door handle, unfortunately, isn't really made to be replaced. So, to get a new door handle, you actually have to buy the whole card, the whole panel. Yeah. So you can kind of see this is the piece that broke off. And it goes this way. Just like that. So I was thinking maybe of gluing it, but I don't really see, you know, I have some epoxy, but I don't think that's going to be a very strong hold. So I may look at replacing this. See what I can find. So I did find a handle on Amazon. I ordered it a few days ago. In the meantime, I got sick. Sorry if I sound a little nasally. But it has shown up. And there's the handle. I think comes with some hardware. And now the handle is different. It's not two pieces like this that fits on and then you put a cover over it. It's all one piece. They are very sturdy. I've been told in the comments, in the reviews on Amazon. Also, but there is some issue with fitment. So
let's see if it fits. That's actually not terrible. It's not perfect. It doesn't fit snugly around here. Let's see. Actually, I think it might even be hitting this. That might be what's holding it out. But that is, you know, again, not pretty, but it looks nice on the door from this angle. There's a gap kind of behind it here. It doesn't fit as flush as I would like. Again, I don't know if that's hitting there. I don't know if this is maybe too long. It's bottoming out a little bit. And that doesn't feel like that's bottoming out. So, but, you know, not perfect, but it doesn't look terrible. It actually matches nicely with the door. So, just make sure that you get the right one also, because there's a different version between if you have power windows or if you have manual crank windows. If you have a manual crank window, your handle is going to fit kind of more like this. So that you have room for the hand crank. So this one goes more forward so that you can reach the button. Now the other question is, are these screws gonna line up and work with the holes that they have? So I'm gonna assume this one goes in the back. It goes there. And I need a Phillips screwdriver to tighten them. Okay, let's see. Does it line up? It does appear to line up. This one does. Oh no, I think it is going in. Yeah, I don't think this one's doing anything. Let me see. Take this one back out. Correct, not doing anything. Alright. So let's see. Does this fit? Is it too... No, that should work just fine. I've just got to make sure that it lines up with the hole. Let's see, maybe we can put the top one in first. It seems like it's maybe too high, too far this way. Let's see. Or, it sticks out pretty far. Just want to see, put the longer screw in here, see if it lines up. Yeah, it does. So it might just be that the screw is just a little bit shorter than ideal, and you can't put the other screw down below. I don't think. No. Let's see. No, that won't bite. Let's see. Yeah, they both kind of stick out the same amount. So I'm gonna need to modify something to get this top screw in. I'm not sure if I want to modify this handle Yeah. Okay. So, like where the screw fits down in here, goes down inside. I think I might try and drill that just so that it sticks out just a little bit more than this. See how that goes. So I've just got a 3/8 inch drill bit, which pretty much is just about the right size for the hole. I'm just going to try and carve it out just a little bit. Yeah. I think this will chew through that plastic pretty quickly, so I don't want to go too fast. Yeah, that's what I didn't want. Stop it. Alright, let's try and clean that just a little bit. Alright. Okay. Now, let's see. Yeah. Does that stick through a little bit further? Oh. Alright, I'm just going to try and widen it out with the 3/8 inch drill bit a bit. I don't want it to go deeper, I just want to make it wider. Let's see. Just need to get a couple more threads sticking out. Let's see if that works. That did it. That's got a hold of it. Alright. Try this one again. That one still line up. That one still lines up good. The threads on the old bolts were bigger. You might need to get some screws that have some bigger threads. That might be why. This one may have just like kind of stripped a little bit. So, but it's holding for now. And really most of the strain is going to be up here on this, because that's where people are pulling. Alright, so I pulled the lower screw back out, and it's nothing is stripped. The hole isn't stripped, the screw isn't stripped. It's just, it's not actually getting in there and getting bite. So I'm gonna try and do what I did to the top and just drill this out just a little bit so the screw will go in a little farther. Let's see how that does. There it goes. I think I got it. Yeah. Okay, that's better. We're gonna go with that. You know, for 30 bucks, probably should be better, but you know, to buy this whole card is like $300, so this will work. I'm more concerned about function, and as long as it, you know, it holds and doesn't pull out, I'm happy. Okay, so what we have is a door handle that is now functional. It doesn't seem like it's going to pull out. It feels pretty sturdy. That's a pretty strong piece of plastic. You know, it's more solid than the original design. This was pretty flimsy, really. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to help support the channel, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.